Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Techavro. Hope you guys having a nice day. In this video I'm going to walk through how can you track your iPhone if you lost it. So guys, for that just go to any browser, just like going to Safari. Now in the bottom search bar just search for iCloud.find. Now here you can see iCloud plus Find My. Click on here, scroll, and here you can see find your stuff on iCloud.com. Click on here, click on sign in. Now just sign in with your Apple ID. Now here you can see after signing in with your Apple ID, you can see your location on the map, and that's how you can track your phone if you lost it. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you find it helpful. If you guys have find it helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Techavro. Thank you so much for watching the video.